Asteroids, we know,
Yeah?
many of them, if not most of them, are loosely held together rubble piles. And if they come near gravitational sources, tidal forces can stretch them so that they become a stream of particles rather than just one solid mass.
Humanity has long entertained the notion that we are not alone in the vast expanse of the universe. The existence of hidden forces and civilizations lurking amidst the galaxies has been a persistent belief, fueled by numerous events that have transpired over the years. Among these intriguing occurrences is the enigmatic appearance of Oumuamua. Oumuamua, a peculiar and mysterious space object, materialized unexpectedly before abruptly vanishing into the outer realms of space. Astonishingly, it has now resurfaced and appears to be on a trajectory towards Earth. In this captivating video, we invite you to join us as we unravel the mysteries surrounding this celestial entity known as Oumuamua. Prepare to discover the reasons behind its uniqueness and the controversy that envelops it. Furthermore, we will delve into the potential consequences that may arise when this extraordinary object eventually makes contact with our planet. Given the extent of our knowledge and technological advancements, one might assume that we possess the ability to readily identify and classify any object encountered in space. However, the story of Oumuamua diverges from this expectation. This space anomaly has perplexed scientists and astronomers alike. The term Oumuamua itself translates to a messenger from afar arriving first, emphasizing its origin in the depths of interstellar space. Interstellar space, situated beyond our solar system, represents the vast expanse between stars. Infrequently, objects from interstellar space may venture into the gravitational domain of our Earth's solar system. Nevertheless, Oumuamua's unanticipated appearance from interstellar space left us bewildered. Its initial peculiarity lay in its shape, an elongated structure resembling a sausage or a hot dog. Initially believed to be an asteroid, Oumuamua deviated from the typical characteristics of these celestial bodies, which tend to exhibit rounded or irregular shapes while orbiting the Sun within our solar system. Oumuamua possessed a distinct form, as though it were meticulously sculpted or engineered. Furthermore, its path through space diverged from the regular orbits followed by asteroids, adding to its enigma. Another intriguing aspect of Oumuamua was its unusual behavior. One would expect a celestial object to adhere to the predictable velocities observed in other space entities. However, Oumuamua defied these conventions, exhibiting a distinct and seemingly independent speed. Consequently, scientists contemplated the possibility that it might be a comet. Comets, composed of icy bodies, develop tails composed of volatile materials. These tails manifest as the volatile substances evaporate from the comet's nucleus due to the intense heat emanating from the sun. Observing a dazzling streak of light streaking across the night sky is often an indication of a passing comet. Comets travel at varying speeds, distinct from those of asteroids or planetary bodies, potentially reaching velocities of up to 100,000 miles per hour, contingent upon their proximity to the sun. As a comet draws nearer to the sun, its velocity increases accordingly. The incredible speed at which the object moved initially led scientists to believe it was a comet. However, it lacked a characteristic feature of comets, a tail caused by escaping gas. Oumuamua's unconventional movement through space puzzled researchers, as it didn't resemble that of a typical comet. Some scientists theorized that it might be expelling gas from its sunlit side, propelling it like a rocket. But this idea faced a significant obstacle. There was no detectable gas emission, and thus no visible tail like those seen on comets. If Oumuamua were indeed a comet, scientists would have detected its characteristic features. Even among interstellar objects, a comet named 2I Borisov was discovered in 2019, behaving like a rogue comet. Unlike Oumuamua, it boasted a massive tail 14 times the size of Earth and had fragmented multiple times over the years. Since Oumuamua didn't fit the profile of an asteroid or comet, a new theory emerged proposing that this peculiar visitor might be a fragment from an exoplanet. It suggested that an asteroid collided with a distant planet, causing fragments to be ejected into space. From the moment it was spotted, Oumuamua became an enigma. It was first observed on October 19, 2017, using the Pan-STARRS Observatory in Hawaii. This impressive telescope, equipped with one of the world's largest digital cameras, was designed to identify space objects that could potentially pose a threat to Earth. When astronomers at the Pan-STARRS Observatory noticed this mysterious object racing through our solar system, they realized it was like nothing they had ever encountered before. Hence, it was named Oumuamua. Initially thought to be a tumbling, sausage-shaped object, its true pancake-like form was revealed days after it passed through our solar system. Oumuamua measures 377 by 364 by 62 feet, disproving the initial cigar or sausage-shape hypothesis. When it reached its closest point to the Sun on September 9, 2017, it exhibited a remarkable speed of approximately 196,000 miles per hour. Furthermore, its trajectory around the Sun defied the gravitational forces of space, indicating an origin beyond our solar system. This is where the alien theory emerged. The revelation that a foreign object was exploring our solar system sparked controversy and panic within the scientific community and the public. The absence of any influence from our Sun as Oumuamua darted past intensified the fear. Not only did Oumuamua exhibit propulsion stronger than what is typically observed in comets or planetary bodies, but it also displayed a continuous and seemingly deliberate thrust. This led to speculations that it could be an alien spacecraft. Some theories suggested it was an extraterrestrial probe, propelled by an unknown internal power source instead of conventional fuels. Due to its unknown origin and incredible speed, determining Oumuamua's age or obtaining a live sample or close-up view of the object proved futile. No Earth-based telescope could capture a clear enough image due to its high velocity. Initially thought to be cigar-shaped, its true pancake-like structure was only revealed later. As a result, the idea of an alien spaceship gained traction as the most plausible explanation for this perplexing cosmic phenomenon. Numerous scientists have put forth intriguing explanations for the enigmatic interstellar visitor Oumuamua. Avi Loeb, an esteemed astronomy professor at Harvard, proposes a theory that suggests Oumuamua is an extraterrestrial spacecraft propelled by a light sail, utilizing solar radiation for movement. However, this theory has its limitations based on our current scientific knowledge and technological capabilities. Yet, if we consider the existence of an advanced civilization, these limitations may not apply, allowing for solar radiation to power a massive spacecraft like Oumuamua, even without adequate radiation-absorbing surfaces. The concept of an advanced civilization also provides an explanation for Oumuamua's elusive nature, speculating that it could possess a cloaking mechanism, disguising itself as a mere celestial rock. Despite the endorsement by a reputable astronomer, scientists remain cautious about labeling Oumuamua as an alien spacecraft, and alternative theories continue to emerge. A widely accepted hypothesis suggests that Oumuamua is a flattened remnant from an exoplanet resembling Neptune or Pluto. Astrophysicists Alan Jackson and Stephen Desch propose an intriguing concept in which the object is a hydrogen iceberg formed from a cataclysmic collision on its planet of origin, which occurred millions of years ago. They also suggest that the composition of the planet is similar to Pluto. This theory provides an explanation for Oumuamua's acceleration, suggesting that the rapid evaporation of nitrogen, abundant in our solar system, would propel it forward like a rocket. However, this nitrogen ice theory was disputed by astrophysicists from Harvard, who argued that there isn't enough nitrogen in the universe to account for Oumuamua's composition. As Oumuamua continues its journey away from our solar system, scientists anticipate its entry into interstellar space in the late 2030s. However, concerns remain about the possibility of Oumuamua making an unexpected return to Earth due to its peculiar behavior and orbit. Understanding the true nature of this mysterious object and finding a way to intercept it would be ideal. Unfortunately, Oumuamua remains elusive and incredibly fast, with a velocity surpassing our fastest spacecraft. Catching up to this enigma presents an insurmountable challenge. Discovering more about Oumuamua may require us to push the boundaries of our space technology. In 2017, Project Lyra was initiated with the goal of launching a spacecraft equipped with innovative light sail technology that could reach Oumuamua and similar interstellar objects by the early 2040s. The estimated timeline suggests that the Lyra project should launch a dedicated spacecraft between 2030 and 2033, which would reach Oumuamua around 2047 or 2049. Advancements in spacecraft design, such as the solar-powered LightSail 2, have demonstrated promising capabilities, making it possible to send small probes rapidly through space using high-powered lasers. However, recent observations indicate a potential threat as Oumuamua appears to be heading toward Earth, posing concerns about its unusual orbit. While we are uncertain of Oumuamua's true nature or capabilities, the possibility of it being an alien spacecraft raises significant questions regarding its potential impact and the risks it may bring, including diseases or advanced civilizations. Until we have more information, we must consider various scenarios, from a space invasion to cleaning up the aftermath of a collision if Oumuamua turns out to be a mere space rock or fragment. What do you think? Is this object a spaceship, and will it return and collide with Earth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Beyond Discovery. See you tomorrow.